Here in this video we will see that how from a Google response sheet we can collect the numbers. Let's say for an example that we have response of a Google quiz, and this particular column specifies the candidate names, and this is basically roll number, and there are 5 questions, question 1 to 5, and these are the responses. This section are basically responses, and once the response has been taken against each and every participants there is a number, and this means 10 out of 10. That means participant A has scored 10 out of 10, participant B has scored 8 out of 10. In this way rest of the participants number, right? So we want this number as a 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2 instead of 10/10. Okay, so now this is the column for marks. So we would like to collect this 10 value from this particular cell, the 8 value from this particular cell, right? So what would be the corresponding equation? So let's say that left portion of this front slash we have to collect these numbers. Okay, so what do I do for that? left, left, now parenthesis, right? And now here that what the cell we will basically collect, basically the cell value of B. Okay, then comma, then we have to find out that how many number of what is the number of length of the string we would like to collect as a marks. That is the length, that is from the left hand side how many characters. Okay, so that is being identified by the front slash location. So what is this? Length of B2, that cell particular one, right, minus find the front slash character from this particular cell B2, then minus 1. Now just if we just color, okay, fine. Now this is 10, right? So we can see 10 out of 10. Now if it gives me a suggestion, that is suggested autofill. If we check it yes, then rest of the fields are being collected by this particular number. Okay, so this way quickly we can get the numbers from a Google Sheet response or Google quiz. So this is the way of finding the numbers from the Google responses. So that's it.